Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Today we're going to learn how to read and write in Arabic. It's pretty easy. Let's get started. We're not going to focus on the names of the letters, okay? We're going to learn the sound of each letter. Let's see. Pay attention now. I have this letter in Arabic. See how I write it. Like this, and then I add this mark in the middle. The sound of this letter, it sounds like K in English. It has the same sound. So the sound here is k, 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 k. When I add this mark on the top, this mark has the sound of letter A in English. So now I have K. Let's add here K, 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 K. If I remove this, so I have now K, K. Okay, let's see another one. This letter has the sound of letter T. So now I have the sound of If I add this mark on the top, it will be T, T, K, T, K, T. Okay, let's add another one. This one has the sound of letter B, 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 K, T, B, K, T, B. We write from the right to the left. It's not like English. K, T, B. Okay. Now let's connect these letters in one word. This is K when it is separated. When I connect the K to T, its shape will be different. So I'm gonna do like this. This is now K in the beginning of the word. It became like this because it is gonna connect to this one. Let's see T. Now I have to add this like an arm. We say this in Arabic. Okay, like this. And then I'm gonna write T like this in the middle of the word. Do you see? It got like here an arm to get connected to the previous letter. So K, T, K, T, K, T, K, T, B. Let's see B. So I have to add an arm here too. And then now we have B. This is the shape of B in the end of the word. I'm going to release other videos to teach you the shapes of each letter, because each letter has a different shape in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of the word. It's not hard. It's just matter of training, okay? So we have now K, T, B. K, T, B. K, T, B. كتب, 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 كتب. What does it mean, كتب? It means wrote. م را. م را. Let's see. This letter has the sound of And this one has the sound of me. This one has the sound of ra. Again. So that one is like that one is like me, and this one is like ra. Sorry, my English is a little bit rusty, so I'm gonna train it with you guys, okay? So we have here me, ra. Let's connect them. This is in the beginning of the word. Me in the middle of the word. Ra in the end of the word. E, me, eme, eme, amara, 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 amara. Let's see. Se, 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 se. E, e, e. Le, 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 se, e, le. Again, that one has the sound of se, and this one has the sound of e, and this one has the sound of le. Let's se in the beginning of the word. Se, e, se, le. Le in the end of the word. Se, le. Se, le. Pay attention here. This letter it get connected just from the right side, but it doesn't get connected from the left side. That's why we have a space here. Se, le. So we learn from this word that there are some letters, okay, they just get connected from the right side. We have 6 letters. We're gonna talk about this later. Se, le. سأل سأ 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 سأل سأل سأل. ل ل. ج ج لا ج لا ج. لا ج لا ج لا ج. Let's write together. لا. This is لا in the beginning of the word, and then we have j in the middle of the word. لا ج. Do you see? It got a different shape. لا ج لا ج. It doesn't have this shape here. As you see, it is rounded. No, we just we move like this. It's like straight line. لا ج. Why? Because it's gonna get connected to a. We have to make a line like this, and then we go up. Then we write the hamza. Let's add this mark. By the way, the name of this mark on the top is fatha. Fatha. Fatha, it adds the sound of a. La. La ja. La ja. La ja. La ja. La ja. La. La ja. La ja. La ja. La ja. La ja. Let's write another one. Ba. 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 Pa. Pa. Ba. Pa. Ba. Pa. Ba. Pa. Pay attention here. This one, in English, you have the sound of te, 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 te. No, but this one is even stronger. It is pa, pa, pa. I'll give you an example. The word table, right? Table. So let's remove this T and add this letter, which is we learn it now. How it will be? It will be table, table, to. It's not te. It is table. So the sound of this letter now, it is pa. It's a strong T. Pa. Ba, pa. Ba, pa. She. She. So this letter has the sound of sh, okay? And then let's add this a. She. So here we have ba. Here we have pa. I'm gonna add double T to understand it, to remember it. So ba, pa, she. Let's connect them. Ba. Ba in the beginning of the word, it's like this. Then we have ta in the middle of the word. It is like this. And in the end, we have sha in the end of the word. Ba. Ba. Ba ta. Ba ta. Ba ta. Ba ta sha. 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 Ne. 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 Be. 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 Ne. Be. The. 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 Let's confirm now the sound of each letter. Ne. Ne. Ne is like this. Ne. So this letter has the sound of n. Ne. 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 Be. Be. The. It is like this. But let's add a in the end. Actually, it sounds like the in English. Okay? The. Let's connect them. Ne. Ne in the beginning of the word. Be. Be in the middle. Ne. Be. Ne. Be. Nebe. Nebe. And finally, we have the. Ne. Nebe. Nebe. Nebe the. Nebe the. Ne. Nebe. Nebe. Nebe the. Nebe the. Nebe the. 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 We use here the upper teeth in order to pronounce this letter. The. It's like thank you. Thank you. The. The. We have here th in the word thank you. The. 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 It's not the. It is the. 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 Qa. 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 It is different sound. You don't have this sound in English. Qa. 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 It's strong K. In English, you don't have this sound. So imagine the word key. I'm gonna remove the K and let's add qa. So it will be qi, qi, qi. It's not key, it is qi, qi. Qa, 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 qa. Ba, ba, ba. We are familiar now with this letter. Ba. Let's connect. The. The in the beginning of the word. The. The. Qa. Qa. ثقة. 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 ب. ث. qa. This is qa in the middle of the word. ث. qa. ث. qa. ث. qa. ب. ثقب. 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 The last word for today, it is تجارة. ت. ت. ج. تج. تج. را. تجارة. ت. As you see, it's like this. T. And then we have j. And finally we have ra. Let's connect them together. T. T in the beginning of the word. J in the middle of the word. And finally we have ra. Let's read together. T. تج. 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 تجارة. 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 Thank you very much and see you in another video. If you have any question, you can let it in your comments. Thank you very much.